कहानी ये है कि this is actually not our train, and the tickets for traveling in this train is nearly 100 euros, and we only bought the ticket. Friends, high five. So finally I'm going on to my first ever international trip in the Europe. So by the time you might see in the title and already know, it was all last minute. I was about to miss the bus to the airport, but I made it here. Now I have a lot of time to kill. What a day to start with. It's early in the morning, 5:15 a.m. It's so difficult when you're very new to first time traveling to a new country. It's really tricky to find the exit. Now I'm here to meet my friend. He will be waiting for me somewhere around. The worst part is mobile network is not working. I updated the network and even the internet over here is not working. So finally my friend has come from Paris and we're gonna explore Italy now. Here he comes. Assalamu alaikum. क्या हाल है? और भाई क्या हाल है? Damn. So me and my friend Kalam, he's from Paris. So we finally reached the airport and now we are going towards the कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? Rome. So from here we're gonna take a train towards Rome Centrum, and from there hopefully we get trains for Pisa. Hope for the best, and let's see. But this looks beautiful. The airport is really nice. So far so good. So now we got the tickets for the shuttle. That if you buy a ticket for a shuttle or a train, it's gonna cost you the same, and shuttle is faster. So now we are excited to hop in the shuttle and go towards Central, and then we're gonna take a train towards Pisa. France,
and then France to Istanbul.
Achha. So this is what they call shuttle. It's kind of a mini van, and the thing is, if you buy the tickets for this in the airport, it's gonna cost you 35 euros for 2 people. But if you come to the train station, which is like just opposite to the airport, it's gonna cost you less. And here at airport you can pay with your card, save almost 7 euros. So we have finally reached the station, but now we have to find a way to buy the ticket and go towards Pisa. The streets look really beautiful, and some of it like थोड़ी बहुत इंडिया की याद दिला रहा है. ये ताजमहल उस तरफ मुंबई नहीं है, वहाँ के जैसे आर्किटेक्चर एकदम. Finally we have purchased a ticket to Pisa. It was very expensive, so it's gonna be very limited time in Pisa, but we gonna make sure that we can wrap as much as we can. See you there. Finally inside. Damn. So finally inside the train towards the Pisa, and it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we will be reaching on time and we will be making entry into the Leaning Tower of Pisa. If not, then we are dead. So we have reached Pisa Centrale, and now we are looking to go. Have to know how we can go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Need to figure it out, and it's gonna be quite tough, quite tricky, because we both have did international packages, but our internet is not working. So we are really asking around people how to go. Let's see. We are just relying on that. Damn, life is so uneasy without internet these days. So finally we have successfully made it to Pisa somehow, and luckily we got our new SIM card for 20 euros. That's expensive, right? Yeah. So
That's so expensive, huh?
it is, but still we managed to get internet because we needed internet it was a need. So
Cannot
that
do anything without internet, man.
yeah, because it's really difficult in these days to go anywhere around the world without an internet. So we had to make a call and we bought ourselves a new SIM card so that it gives our data. Now we are get to go. Now we are using Google Maps. We are walking around the streets and gonna reach to our first prime locations that we decided. So we are on our way. Pretty empty today. I don't know why. Maybe because it's Sunday, but usually Sunday should be the more tourists should be here. I really have no idea why the streets are empty. Damn. So I think there won't be so much crowd at Leaning Tower of Pisa as well. Here we are. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's damn beautiful and amazing. Trust me on this. So let me explore and see the cathedral and the Pisa. Surprisingly, it's very less crowd. Perfect time in the evening. What a good day to explore. This place is really must visit. Damn. It's tall as ever. Wow. So this is for you if you're someone very new to the Pisa for the first time. It's not just Leaning Tower of Pisa over here, but there is a cathedral and there are many other monuments you can see from the tickets. So for the cathedral and Leaning Tower of Pisa, there is a combined ticket of 18 euros basically. But like, you know, the 18 euros is for Leaning Tower of Pisa, but the cathedral comes as a free. But for rest of them, it's a different prices. So there's so much to explore. I would highly recommend for you to come in the morning because it's gonna take at least a half day to explore and see the architecture in detail. So right now me and my friend, we just gonna see only Leaning Tower of Pisa unfortunately and the cathedral because we came late here and it's gonna open till 9:30. So well, next time we keep some things for the next time. What do you say, Kalam?
Yeah.
Yes, for next time, but so far so good. So let me take you when I go up on the Leaning Tower of Pisa and show you the view from there. We are going inside the Leaning Tower of Pisa and it looks like this. See how much angle it has been leaned down. This is so cool. So it's time for us to go up and show you the view from how it looks from the top. So now we are going up. Wait, भाई साहब ये तो चार मीनार याद आ गया.
मेरे को चढ़ने भी नहीं आ रहा.
चढ़ने भी नहीं आ रहा यार सच में. Guys, I mean it's for first few steps you will feel like what? And agar you are from Hyderabad, from my city, this feels exactly as if you're climbing Charminar. क्या बोलता है भाई? लेकिन थोड़े से wide है.
चारमीनार से खतरनाक है.
चारमीनार से खतरनाक, and you can actually feel that lenient, how lean it is, and you actually bend yourself.
I feel like
It feels vertigo. Damn, this is so good. Wow. Take a wrong, then you get to know that this is just not the top and there is again one more floor that you have to go up. So right over there is Leaning Tower of Pisa and this is the cathedral that we're gonna explore and it's actually bigger than the Uppsala Domkyrka. It's like
not bigger than Notre Dame, Paris, huh?
yeah, you're from Paris, that's why. 3 more minutes to catch the train. So we are going back to the Rome. Pisa is really beautiful. One cannot just complete seeing the, like, you know, get the most of it in one day. You really need to stay here for at least 2 or 3 nights to get the most of it. But till then, it's all amazing. So ending the day with some subs. So it was really tiring, and the only thing is we were only able to complete Leaning Tower of Pisa, which was our main goal to see, because this was just a few hours trip basically. It was pretty cool. It took us like 3 hours, but it was really worth. What do you say, Kalam? Was it worth or not?
Yes, it was
That's right.
worth, man.
Yeah. So we are heading back to the room now. Hopefully we will reach at the midnight. This is actually not our train. The tickets for traveling in this train is nearly 100 euros. And
भाई ये ट्रेन वाकई में बहुत ख़तरनाक है। ये इससे पहले की ट्रेन में जो हम लोग बैठे थे 4 घंटे लिया था और इतना बोर मार रहा था, ये 2 घंटे में पहुंचा दिए और इतना मज़ा आया ये ट्रेन में, पता ही नहीं चला।
हाँ, और इसको बोलते हैं
इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल ट्रेन।
प्रेसी बैंक किया। और मज़ेदार चीज़ ये है कि हमको पता नहीं था, क्योंकि हमारी टिकट इस ट्रेन की नहीं थी, हमारी कुछ लोकल की थी 24 क्रोन वाली, बट हम आए हैं 24 यूरो वाली एक की टिकट थी, और हम आए हैं इसकी टिकट करीब 120 यूरो के आसपास की।
मोर देन 100 यूरोस, मोर देन 100 यूरोस
आराम से। बट
पर हेड, हाँ पर हेड, हाँ
पर हेड की टिकट 120 यूरो के ऊपर की है। 300 किलोमीटर का सफर 2 घंटे में चुटकी खत्ते ही खत्म। भाई मजा आ गया। क्या बोलते हैं?
मज़ा आ गया।
What a day to end। वीडियो तो मैंने मतलब
भाई मैं सोचा था कि 1 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे रोमा, लेकिन अभी टाइम हो रहा है 11:10। भाई बहुत खतरनाक, बहुत जल्दी पहुंचा दिया।
8:55 पे हमने चढ़ा और हम लोग पहुंचे हैं 11:10। सुपर फास्ट 300 किलोमीटर की जर्नी है पीसा से यहाँ तक। If ever you are in Rome and want to go Pisa, I would highly recommend this train. It will save lot of time, of course it's gonna be expensive, but time बहुत बचेगा और मज़ा भी बहुत आएगा। Now with that said, इस वीडियो को ऑफिशियली यहाँ पे एंड करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि एंड करते करते ये 4थी बार मैं एंड कर रहा हूँ। See you, bye।